Hey there, fitness enthusiasts!
Did you know that incorporating the right exercises into your routine can supercharge your fat loss journey? Today I'm going to share with you 6 powerful exercises that will help you melt fat fast and transform your body in 2024. Get ready to take your fitness game to the next level. Welcome back to the channel, where we're all about achieving your fitness goals and living your best life. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of fat loss and the crucial role that effective exercises play in shaping your body. Get ready to learn about the key exercises that will help you torch fat and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of. Let's face it, losing fat can be a real challenge. From struggling to stay motivated to not seeing results from your workouts, there are many roadblocks on the journey to a leaner body. Time constraints and ineffective routines can also stand in the way of your fat loss goals. But fear not, because we've got the solutions you need to overcome these obstacles and achieve the body of your dreams. Exercise 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Kicking off our fat-burning frenzy is the ultimate calorie crusher high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Picture this: short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery periods. It's like putting your metabolism on overdrive, burning calories during and after your workout. We're talking serious afterburn effect here, people. Let's break down a basic HIIT routine. 1. Explode into jump squats for 30 seconds. 2. Catch your breath for 10 seconds. 3. Fire up those high knees for 30 seconds. 4. Another 10-second breather. 5. Rinse and repeat 4 times. Here's the secret sauce. Intensity is key. Go hard during work periods, but listen to your body. Beginners, start with shorter bursts and longer rests. As you level up, crank up the heat. Why HIIT? It's a time saver, fat annihilator, and the closest thing to a miracle workout. Plus, it keeps your body guessing. Ready to hit it hard? Exercise 2, burpees. Next up, the exercise everyone loves to hate, burpees. But trust me, your body will be singing a different tune when you see the results. Burpees are the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They torch fat, skyrocket your heart rate, and sculpt your entire body. It's like combining cardio and strength training in one explosive move. Here's your burpee blueprint. 1. Stand tall. 2. Drop it like it's hot into a squat. 3. Kick those legs back to a plank. 4. Pull out a push-up, optional but highly recommended. 5. Jump those feet back to your hands. 6. Explode upward, reaching for the stars. 7. Land softly and immediately start your next rep. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 burpees with a 60-second breather between sets. As you get stronger, up the ante with more reps or less rest. Pro tip: want to turn up the heat? Add a tuck jump at the top or strap on a weighted vest. But remember, form is your best friend here. Quality trumps quantity every time. Exercise 3, mountain climbers. All right, peak performers, let's scale some mountains. Mountain climbers, that is. This exercise is like running a horizontal marathon while planking.
Talk about efficiency!
Here's your climbing technique. 1. Start in a high plank, hands under shoulders. 2. Drive your right knee towards your chest. 3. Quickly switch, shooting the right leg back as the left knee comes in. 4. Keep alternating legs like you're sprinting up Everest. The secret: keep that core tight and those hips low. Aim for 30 seconds of climbing, followed by a 15-second rest. Repeat this 3-4 times for a total body burn. Mountain climbers are your secret weapon for 1. Incinerating calories. 2. Carving out your core. 3. Boosting cardio fitness. 4. Improving agility and coordination. Exercise 4. Jump rope. Let's jump into our next fat blaster, the jump rope. Don't be fooled by its playground roots. This is a serious calorie inferno. Check out these jump rope benefits. 1. Torches up to 1,000 calories per hour. 2. Amps up your coordination game. 3. Builds bone density and muscle strength. 4. Low impact when done right. Here's your jump rope 101. 1. Grip handles lightly. 2. Keep elbows close to your body. 3. Use your wrists to turn the rope. 4. Jump on the balls of your feet. 5. Keep jumps low and quick. Start with 1-minute jump sessions and 30-second rest periods. As you improve, mix it up with alternating feet, high knees, or the calorie-crushing double under. No rope? No problem. Shadow jump for similar benefits. The key is maintaining a quick, steady rhythm. Remember, the jump rope isn't just for boxers and kids. It's your new secret weapon for melting fat and boosting cardio fitness. Exercise 5, kettlebell swings. Grab a kettlebell because it's time to swing your way to a leaner you. This dynamic powerhouse targets your entire posterior chain while sending your heart rate through the roof. Master the kettlebell swing. 1. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Hinge at the hips back straight and grasp the kettlebell. 3. Hike it back between your legs. 4. Explosively drive your hips forward. 5. Let the kettlebell float up to chest height. 6. Control the descent and repeat. Key point: the power comes from your hips, not your arms. Think of your arms as ropes guiding the kettlebell's path. Aim for 3 sets of 15 swings, resting for 60 seconds between sets. As you build strength, increase weight or reps. Why kettlebell swings rock? 1. Torch fat like a furnace. 2. Strengthen your entire backside. 3. Boost cardiovascular fitness. 4. Enhance power and explosiveness.
Exercise 6, squat jumps.
Squat jump mastery. 1. Start in a squat, feet shoulder width apart. 2. Lower until thighs are parallel to the ground. 3. Explode upward, reaching for the ceiling. 4. Land softly back in the squat position.
5. Immediately repeat, no pausing.
Shoot for 3 sets of 10-15 reps, with 60 seconds of rest between sets. Why squat jumps are your new best friend? 1. Incinerate fat at record speeds. 2. Build lower body strength and power. 3. Skyrocket your cardiovascular fitness. 4. Enhance overall athletic performance. Ready for an extra challenge? Hold dumbbells or wear a weighted vest. But remember, form is crucial. Master the basic squat before adding the polymeric jump. Need a lower impact option? Step up onto a platform instead of jumping. You'll still reap many of the benefits without the high impact.
There you have it, fitness warriors. 6 fat annihilating exercises to transform your body.
Consistency is key. Pair these moves with clean eating and proper rest for mind-blowing results.
Now get out there and make it happen.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more body transforming content.